Hi guys, welcome to this session. In today's session, we are going to see how to use combined list inside the Microsoft Ads account. Combined list is a feature with the help of which you can create various combinations of the existing audience lists which you have and create different combinations with it so that we can target more customers, relevant customers related to our business. In this feature guys, you can use the AND OR function to build these different types of combinations which will help you to target specific audiences checking out our websites and going through our pages. So now what we are going to do is we'll go inside the account and we'll see how we can make use of this feature. So once you are logged inside your Microsoft Ads account, we can go to the campaigns page and select the campaign in which we want to apply this feature. So once you're inside the campaign guys, we can come to the audience section on the left panel under keywords, and over here we can go ahead and create the combined list by clicking on the plus create association button. As you can see, we will be provided with a particular drop down from which we can choose combined lists. And now as you can see, we can create a new combined list altogether out here. So we can first give it a name in this manner and we can start the process of creating a combination. So as you can see, Microsoft is giving us various options to select the existing remarketing list and create various combinations. So you can choose that as well. So let's say I want to select these two for now as a combination of and with this I want to select another remarketing list, so we can combine it in this specific way. We can choose a dynamic one as well if you want to do a combination in this way, so that can be done as well. And furthermore, you can do a third combination if you want to, which might be relevant to your business. So now you can see we have created a combination of three different audience lists into this one combination list as we are discussing. So this becomes like a combined list which we have created now for this campaign, which you can link to this campaign and you can run it. So the combined list gives you a lot of flexibility of creating different types of combinations based on the kind of business which you are running. So here you can see we have created this combined list which we are now linking to this campaign, and we can save this. So it is going to appear in this particular manner into the account as you can see, and it will try to run our ads based on the combination we have done in this list. I hope this makes sense, and now you understand how to use combined list in a campaign in Microsoft Ads. Thank you so much guys for listening into this session today. Have a great day guys.